हेलो एवरीवन। नमस्ते। कैसे हो आप लोग? चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है सही से? ठीक है। ओके, लेट्स सिट अप स्ट्रेट ऑन योर मैट. कीप योर हैंड्स ऑन योर knees and then relax there for a while. We will begin our class with 3 Om together. Take a deep breath in and then long exhale out. Again, take a deep breath in. Exhale. With the next inhalation, we will chant. Inhale. Normalize your breath. Now join your hands together in front of your heart center. Bend your head forward. Pray to the God for today's practice, for today's energy. Open your eyes wide blinking and namaste to everyone once again. Now, as you inhale, take your hands up over the head, all the way high. You grab your elbows together and then open up your chest. Lift your head up. Keep lifting your head up. Reach high. Exhale, release your hands down. Inhale, again, take your hands up over the head. Interlock your elbows, open up your chest, look in front, and then lift your head up. Exhale, release your hands down. One more time, inhale, sweep your hands high over the head. Grab your elbows, roll your shoulders back, lift your head up, and then hold for 5. Breathe in and then exhale. 4. Keep elevating your shoulder. Create the space in your upper body. 3 and 1. Exhale, release your hands again down towards the floor. One more time, inhale, take your hands up over the head, grab your elbows, and then lateral bend to the right side. This is called lateral bend when you are moving to the right side. Now keep pushing your left knee down. Keep pushing your left knee down towards the floor so that it won't get lifted. And then hold for 3. Keep pushing. Knee ko push karte raho. Dusri knee ko. 2 and 1. Back to the center. Now switch your arms. Like this time, your left hand would be at the back. Right hand would be in the front. All right. Now exhale on the other arm on the other side. Lateral bend. Keep pushing your right knee down and then hold for 5, 4. Keep stretching your spine. 3. Feel that extension on your underarm. 1. Inhale back to the center. Again, open up your chest. Take your hands back. Lift your head up. Keep breathing and keep exhaling. Again, lateral bend to the right side. Keep bending. Inhale back to the center. Now switch your arms. Left hand at the back and then lateral bend on the other side. Again, moving out. Hold 5, 4, 3. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, release your hands down beside of your hips. Now with the next inhalation, press your both hands on the floor. Make a cup of fingers just like this. Press your hands, press your fingertips. Inhale, open up your chest. Lift your head up, chin up towards the ceiling. Very nice. Keep pulling up and then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and then exhale. Walk your hands forward and then drop your hands head down on the floor. Stretch out your spine. Keep your hips on the floor. Feel that extension on your spine, creating the space with every exhalation. Keep walking your hands forward. Breathe in and then exhale for 3, 2, and 1. Walk your hands back again. Press your hands behind your hips. Flatten your palms on the floor and then push your hip forward. Now knees should be on the floor. Push your hip forward, engage into your butts, and then lift your head up and drop your head all the way back. Very nice. Keep pushing. Reach your hips high and then hold for 3, 2, last 1. Exhale, release your hips down. Walk your hands forward, stretch your spine. Keep stretching. Keep synchronizing your breath with your movement. Now inhale, walk your hands back. Again, press your hands beside of your hips, flatten your palms on the floor. Inhale, push your hip forward, come up on the knees. Lift your head up and then drop it down. Again, hold there for 3. Squeeze into your butt, squeeze into your lower back, maximize the strength. 2, and 1. Exhale, release your hips down. Bring your spine back to the neutral position. Inhale again, take your hands up over the head. Exhale, lateral bend to the right side. Drop your right hand on the floor and then forearm on the floor. Okay, so now drop your forearm on the floor and keep stretching your left hand over the ear. Make sure your both butts are on the floor. Remain then right there and then hold for 3, 2. Look at your palm if it's possible and rotate it outward. And 1. Inhale again, come up high over the head. Exhale on the other side, left hand on the floor. Stretch your right arm over the ear. Keep pushing out. Feel that extension on the sideways. Very nice. Keep stretching, bring that all awareness right there. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale on the other side, right hand on the floor. Stretch your left hand over the ear. Look at your palm, reach your pinky finger high, and then hold for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up high, back to the center. Exhale on the other side, left hand on the floor, right hand up over the ear. Again, twist your spine if it's possible. Look at your palm, fix your gaze, and then hold for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale again, come up high to the center. Exhale, twist your spine, right hand on the left knee, left hand back on the floor. Inhale, lengthen your spine first. First lengthen your spine, अपनी spine को straight करना है so that you can feel your abdomen with your air. With the exhalation, twist, and then look back. Now keep twisting your spine with the help of your right hand. Keep pushing your right hand against your left knee. Inhale, come up high to the center. Exhale on the other side. First twist from there, left hand on the right knee, right hand back on the floor. Inhale here first, lengthen your spine, exhale, and then twist back. 5. So maximize the twisting from the navel center with every exhalation. 4. बहुत बढ़िया, but without moving your left knee. Keep pushing your left knee down, bring that all awareness into your body. 2. And last 1. Inhale back to the center. Arms up. Exhale, release your hands down. Swing forward for the tabletop. Now flatten your palms all the way on the floor. Inhale, lift your head up. Make an arch on your back. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back. Keep pushing your hip forward. Inhale, again lift your head up, make an arch on your back. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back. Inhale, again lift your head up, roll your shoulders back, shoulders away from the ears. Look up high. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back. Push your hip forward. One more time, inhale, roll your shoulders back, press your hands on the floor, reach your head up, and then hold here. So you can get a little height from the floor by making cup of finger with your both hands. Just make a cup of finger with your both hands. Just feel that maximum strength, maximum stretch or extension of the lower back. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back. Inhale, one more time, head up, make an arch on your back. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back, complete your exhalation, complete your movement. Inhale, head up, make an arch, extend your spine, and then hold for 3. Keep stretching, 2, 1. Exhale, again, drop your head down, hump on your back, push it forward. Inhale, again, lift your head up, make an arch on your back, look up high. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on your back. For the last time, inhale, lift your head up, make an arch on your back, look up high, keep pressing your hands, feel the tension, and then start to move your hips side to side. 1. So from here, you start to move your hips, continue to move them side to side. 2. अपने हिप्स को मूव करना है, केवल हिप्स को मूव करेंगे, ठीक है? डू नॉट मूव योर स्पाइन. यहाँ पे आर्ची सस्टेन करना है हमें. 3. Just move your hip. Keep pressing your hands. 2 and 1. Now flatten your both hands on the floor. Exhale, hump on your back. Drop your head down. So today we will do back bend. All right. Now inhale. Again, lift your head up. Make an arch on your back. Feel that extension from the thoracic region to your lumbar region. Exhale. Again, drop your head down. Hump on your back. Squeeze in the air. Inhale again. Head up. Reach high. And then take your left leg back up in the air. Take your left leg back up in the air. Take your left leg back and then swing your right arm back to grab your left foot. अपने right hand को पीछे लाएंगे to grab your left leg. So alternate hands should be there. Keep pulling up, stretch, find the balance, look up high. 5, 4, go easy. If you cannot do this, you can keep your hand on the floor. Reach out with your left hand. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your knee forward. Drop your right hand on the floor. Inhale, again, take your left leg all the way back up in the air. Look up high. Exhale, bring your knee forward, squeeze in the air, and then hold for 3. Bring your knee forward towards your head. 2, 1. Now come up on the plank. Lift your back knee off the floor. Left knee still. Drop forward. Exhale, roll back into the 3-leg downward facing dog. Open up, hip out. Take your left leg out to the side. Very nice. Open your hip. Keep pressing your both hands. Exhale again. Bring your knee forward towards your head. Inhale again. Take your left leg all the way back. Open up your chest and look at your left foot from your right side. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Bring your knee forward and then release back into the plank. Drop your knees down, chest down, chin down on the floor. Inhale, roll your shoulders back, look front. तो अपने हेड को ऊपर नहीं करना है, just keep looking forward. हेड को ऊपर नहीं करना है, just open up from the thoracic region. Look. Do not look back. Very nice. And then hold for 3. बहुत बढ़िया. 2 and 1. Exhale, roll back into the downward facing dog or mountain. Breathe in and then exhale, drop your knees down, chest down, chin down on the floor. Open up your chest, pressing your both hands on the floor. Swing forward for the cobra. Yes, everyone, please come up for the cobra. And then press your both hands, roll your shoulders back, make a cup of finger. And just make the distance of your both hands wide apart. And then open up your chest, look in front. 1, 2, आगे देखना है सबने, ऊपर किसी ने नहीं देखना है. 3, 4, and then 5. Exhale, again lower your head down. Inhale, again make a wave through your spine and just transfer that pressure towards your lower back. All right, just keep extending your spine and then hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, again drop your head down. Inhale, again roll your shoulders back, press your hands, open up your chest, look in front. Feel that extension on your lower back. The maximum extension will come on your thoracic region. All right, just look front. कैमरे की तरफ मत देखो, otherwise you may have that cramp. ठीक है, आपको आगे देखना है and then hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, swing forward for the upward facing dog. Upward facing dog, lift your thighs, knees off the floor, hands straight. Exhale, again roll back for the downward facing dog. Now bring your hands into the neutral position, into the downward facing dog. Now step your left leg forward, between your hands, drop your back knee on the floor. Untuck your back toes, look in front, both hands on your knees, both hands on your front knee. Open up your chest, press your hands, keep your hands straight, push your hip down, and then lift your head up. Hold there. 5, 4, hip ko push karo, hip ko push karo. 3, find the balance. 2, just find that stability also. And then 1, exhale, use both hands on the floor. Now again, touch your right toes in there, hands on the floor, and then send your left leg all the way back for 3 leg downward facing dog. Open up, press your both hands evenly on the floor, and then open your hip out. Look at your left foot from the right side. Look up high for 3. Very nice. 2, ऐसे लेफ्ट लेग अप जाएगा सुजीत जी, लेफ्ट लेग अप जाएगा, लेफ्ट लेग में कर रहे हैं अभी हम वर्कआउट. 2, हाँ, अब राइट साइड से देखो, राइट साइड से, राइट, इधर उस साइड से, हाँ. And then 1, now release your left leg on the floor for the downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs one by one, bending one leg at a time. Now bend your knees, press your palms, jump front, halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Now bend your knees all the way, sit up straight. On your heel, come up on the mount of the toes. Just sit up just like this. Lift your heels off the floor. On your heels, hips should be on your heels. Hips should be on your heels. Inhale, find the balance. Open up your chest. Stretch your arms. Keep breathing in and out for 3. Very nice. 2 and 1. Exhale, hands on the floor. Try to touch your abdomen. Try to touch your abdomen on your thigh, chest on your thigh. From here, drop your heel down without losing that abdomen. Just keep your abdomen touched on your thighs. Drop your heels down, and then all the way come up without losing that touch. All right, without losing that touch from your thighs. Just try to extend your leg. Keep your spine straight. If you're losing that touch, it means you need to just stay there wherever it is maintained. And then hold 5. Keep stretching your leg. Keep bending forward. 4. Keep stretching. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Again, half a look up. Spine straight. Exhale. Press your palms. Bend your knees. And then jump back. Chaturanga. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Good job. Drop your knees down. Rest into the tabletop. Yes, tabletop. Inhale, lift your head up, make an arch on your back, look up high, press your hands on the floor. Exhale, drop your head down, hump on the back, push your hip forward. Very nice. Inhale, again lift your head up, make an arch on your back, look up high, keep pressing your hands. Exhale, roll over your spine, bend forward into cat position. Inhale again, reach your head up, make an arch on your back, pressing your both hands on the floor, and then hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale again, drop your head down, hump on your back, push your hip forward. For the last time, inhale, lift your head up, and then send your right leg back up in the air. Stretch your spine, send your right leg back up in the air, pressing your hands. Just maintain this arch on your back and look up high for 3, 2, 1. Send your left hand back to grab your right foot, and then pull up high. Open up your chest, look in front, and just keep extending your spine. Keep pressing your hand, and then hold for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release your left hand on the floor. Bring it forward towards your head. Squeeze there. Inhale, again take your right leg back up in the air. Lift your head up. Exhale, bring it forward towards your head. For the last time, inhale, take your right leg back up in the air. Exhale, bring your knee forward towards your head. So after this, lift your back knee off the floor. Lift your back knee off the floor. Now send your right leg back up in the air. Again, hold for 3. Open up your hip out. Open your hip out. Very nice. 4, 5. Exhale, bring your knee forward into the plank. Squeeze in there. Very nice. Swing forward. Inhale, again, take your right leg all the way back up in the air. Make an arch on your back. Exhale, bring your knee forward towards your head and then hold. Inhale, again, send it back up in the air. Open up your chest. Exhale, release your knee down for the downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs one by one. Step your right leg forward between your hands. Drop your back knee on the floor. Stretch your leg, right leg forward. And then both hands on your knees. Push your hands down, push your hands forward, and then open up your chest. And then hold. 1. Untuck your back toes. 2, 3. Keep pushing down. 4 and 5. Exhale, hands on the floor. Tuck your back toes under, flex your toes, and then take your right leg back all the way high. Exhale, press your palms, jump front for the half full look up. Yes, all the way come up, come front, half full look up. Exhale, completely bend forward, drop your head down. Inhale, again, half full look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, again, half full look up, spine straight, and then hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, press your palms, and then jump back. Chaturanga. Very nice. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, and then all the way lay down on your abdomen. Just lay down on your abdomen. Very nice. So from here, as we did yesterday, I think, extend your right hand forward, extend your right hand forward, and then bend your left leg at the knee and pull your left foot towards. Just grab your left leg with your left hand, and then open up your chest, press your hand, and look up high, and then hold 1, 2. Try to bring your leg close to your elbow. 3. अपने हाथों को और पास लाओ सुजीत जी, अपने हाथों को और पास लाओ चेस्ट के बगल में, एंड देन प्रेस. 4. जितना ज्यादा हाथ पास आएगा, ये राइट हैंड को पास लाना है, ठीक है. 4, 5, 6. Keep pressing, look front, and then exhale, release down. Now press your left hand on the floor, bend your right leg at the knee, grab your right leg with your right hand, look in front, open up your chest, and then hold there. 1, 2, 3. अपने हाथों को जितना पास हो सके उतना पास लाना है. 4, 5. Very nice. Hold there for 3 more counts. 3, 2, and 1. And then exhale, release all the way back, all the way lay down on your abdomen. Keep your hands beside of your chest. Press your both hands on the floor. Now come up for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Press your hands, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stretch your spine. Pedal out your legs to release the tension from your lower back. Now you can rest into the child pose. Relax here for a while. So from here, we will swing forward into Cobra pose and then child pose. Okay, so rapidly we will move for 10 times. Swing forward, Cobra or Bhujangasana. Make sure when you are in the Cobra, hips should be on the floor, lower abdomen should be on the floor, your hands are bent. Again, swing back into the child pose. Inhale, swing forward, keep moving and keep synchronizing your breath, associating your breath with your movement. Inhale, swing forward, and then back for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, swing forward for the Cobra, and then hold there. Very nice. Just hold there. Sujit ji, just rotate your arms outward. अपने हाथों को rotate करो outward. ये आपके inward rotate है, ठीक है? So this is called the outward rotation. This is inward rotation. Rotate your arms outward. Elbows should be close to your rib cages, side of the rib cages. All right, and then keep stretching your spine. Look front. अपने head को ऊपर नहीं करना है. Just look front so that you can open up from the thoracic region. All right. Exhale. Again, roll back on your toes for the downward facing dog or mountain. Very nice. Now press your palms, bend your knees, jump front, up to look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Very nice, Jagruti ji. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head, interlock your fingers, and then turn your palms high. And feel that extension and try to create the space in your vertebrae and freely move your spine upward. 3, keep moving high. 2, and last 1. Exhale with a straight spine, completely bent forward. With a straight spine, completely bent forward. Hands on the floor, either side of your both feet. Inhale, halfway look up, breathe in the air. Exhale, press your palms, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Very nice. Now step your right leg forward between your hands. Arms up over the head for the warrior A. Just come up into the warrior A. Stay here. Open up your chest. Make an arch on your back. Now bend your elbows into cactus head. Just bend your elbows into cactus hand. Rotate your arms outward. And then hold. 3. Just rotate it from the thoracic region. All right. जो head को lift नहीं करना है, head को rotate नहीं करना है, just thoracic region को open करना है, ठीक है? 2. Upper back को. And then 1. Hands on the floor. Again, hands on the floor. Either side of your right leg. And then send your right leg up back in the air for 3 leg downward facing dog. Just come up high for 3 leg downward facing dog. तो यहाँ से रिलीज कर दो अपने लेग को. रिलीज एंड जस्ट लुक एट मी हियर. तो मुझे देखना थोड़ा सा. इसके बाद हम करेंगे वाइल्ड थिंग. एक वाइल्ड थिंग पोस्चर होता है, उसको आप यहाँ से करोगे 3 लेग डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग से. ऐसे करना है. यहाँ से अगर आपको टफ लग रहा है, ऐसे ड्रॉप करना है लेग को. अगर आपको यहाँ से टफ लग रहा है, ड्रॉप लेग करना, डाउन लेग को ड्रॉप करना, तो आपको थोड़ा सा आगे आना है, उसके बाद ड्रॉप करना है हल्का सा, ठीक है? तब उसके बाद लेफ्ट लेग स्ट्रेट रहेगा, राइट लेग बेंट रहेगा, एंड देन ओपन करना है चेस्ट को एंड आर्म को देखना अपने, ठीक है? तो इसके बाद क्या होगा, आपको मूव करना है स्पाइन ऐसे. इनहेल एंड देन एक्सहेल. जस्ट रोटेट योर हैंड्स. इनहेल and then exhale. Just move your hands. Inhale and then exhale. All right. So let's move. Come up here. In 3 leg downward facing dog, right leg up in the air. And then exhale. Try to drop your right leg down on the floor. Very nice. And lift your left hand up over the air. Yes, Jagriti, try करो हल्का सा. Try करने की कोशिश करो. हाँ, नहीं, लेग को पूरा ड्रॉप करो अपने राइट लेग को, एंड अपने पाम को देखो. सुजीत जी अपने पाम को देखो. स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट, स्पाइन को आर्च बनाओ स्पाइन पे. राइट लेग से पुश करो, हिप्स को अप करो, एंड देन होल्ड, एंड देन स्टार्ट टू रोटेट योर हैंड्स फ्रीली ऑल द वे अराउंड. 1. कम अप हाई, वाइल्ड थिंग. वेरी नाइस. इनहेल ऑल द वे कम अप. वेरी नाइस. जस्ट कीप मूविंग. 2. जागृति जी आप ये कर लीजिए, तब तक अपने राइट लेग को इधर लाइए, ठीक है? एंड लेफ्ट हैंड को अप करना है, आपको ऐसे करना रहता है, ठीक है? 2. just keep moving just like this. 4. बहुत बढ़िया. 5. just keep moving. 6. 7. with each and every circle you are going to have that more stretch, more extension on the lower back. And then last 1. Inhale and then hold there for wild thing. Open up your chest. Hold. 5. Push your hip forward. बहुत बढ़िया. जब जाने देव जाने जी. 3. 4 and 5. Now release back for 3 leg downward facing dog. Open up your chest. Take your right leg to the left side to open your hip out. Look at your left leg. Keep looking at 3. Sorry, right leg. Right leg को देखना भी. 2 and 1. Now release your right leg on the floor for downward facing dog. Now come up and drop your knees down, chest down, chin down on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar, and then hold here. Very nice. And then walk your knees forward. अपने knees को walk करना आगे की तरफ, without lifting your chest up, without lifting your chin. Just walk your knees forward so that your hips gets more higher. Keep walking your knees forward. Very nice. Keep pressing your hands. Now inhale, raise your right leg up in the air. Take your right leg all the way back. Keep stretching it out. Stretch करना upward, bend नहीं करना भी. Stretch and then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your right leg at the knee and take it Bring it close to your head. Just take your right leg more higher and then bend. Bring it close to your head and then hold for 5. Right leg को up करो दोबारा. Right leg को up करो. Right leg up and then up bend करना है. ठीक है. Last time आपने straight करा था. Now try to bend your leg. Bring it close to your head and then hold for 5. Keep stretching. 4, 3, 2. यहीं पे रहना. ठीक है आप लोगों को. And then 1. इसके बाद क्या करना है. अपने लेफ्ट फुट को राइट नी के नीचे रख देना. ठीक है. लेफ्ट फुट को एडजस्ट करो राइट नी के नीचे. लेफ्ट फुट को एडजस्ट करो राइट नी के नीचे. उसमें टच कर दो एकदम. लेफ्ट फुट को टच करो राइट नी पे. जस्ट लाइक दिस. ये पोजीशन आपकी. राइट लेग ऐसे है. लेफ्ट लेग को ऐसे करना है. ठीक है. लेफ्ट लेग को टच करो एंड फील दैट मोर एक्सटेंशन is coming out on your spine. Just keep stretching and then hold 1, 2. Keep stretching out. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, swing yourself forward for the upward facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, roll back on your toes for downward facing dog. Very nice. Now step your left leg forward, arms high for the warrior A. Take your hands up over the head, stretch your spine, and then bend your elbows into cactus hands. Just bend your elbows into cactus hands. Open up your chest, very nice. Look up high, roll your spine, keep bending back. Exhale, hands on the floor, and send your left leg up in the air for 3-leg downward facing dog. Now open your hip out, lift it all the way back behind your right leg, and then drop that leg down on the floor. Drop that leg down, just into wild thing. Yes, wild thing. Yes, left leg को drop करना है पीछे, leg के पीछे. हाँ, पूरा अच्छे से drop करो, and then keep that leg bent, and then start to make a circle. Freely move your hand. तो लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड रखना है. जी जी, लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड रखो. लेफ्ट लेग अपना, हाँ, लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड रखना, पूरा का पूरा बेंड करना है. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, सॉरी, स्पाइन में आर्च बनाना अच्छा था. एंड देन हाँ ऐसे ही. एंड देन स्टार्ट टू मूव. 1. राइट लेग आपको स्ट्रेट रहेगा. बहुत बढ़िया. 2. चेस्ट को और ओपन करो, रोटेट करो आर्म्स को और आउटवर्ड, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी मोर इजियर. 3. बहुत बढ़िया जागृति जी. ट्राई करो. लेफ्ट लेग को ड्रॉप करो पीछे राइट लेग के. 3. वेरी नाइस. 4. बहुत बढ़िया. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Release back into 3-leg downward facing dog. Keep your left leg back up in the air. Sorry, right leg. Which leg is there? Left leg. Left leg right back up in the air, and then hold for 3, 2, and 1. Now press your palms, bend your knees, jump front for the half way look up. Yes. Flatten your both hands on both legs on the floor. Inhale, half way look up, spine straight. Press your both fingertips down on the floor. Look up high, keep your legs bent. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. Take your hands high over the head. Yes, arms up over the head. Exhale, again, completely bend forward from your hip joint. Inhale, halfway look up, spine straight. Exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dhanasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Now roll back on your toes for the downward facing dog. Now press your palms, bend your knees, jump through your hands and sit up straight. Jump through your hands, sit up straight. Yes, sit up into Dandasana. Now extend your both legs forward into Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. Grab your big toes with the help of your index finger and middle finger. Roll your shoulders back, open up your chest, keep your spine straight. and nice and tall. Exhale, bend your elbows, lower your head down. Completely bend forward. You can interlock your fingers behind your feet. So whichever you feel comfortable, go accordingly. 1, 2, keep bending forward. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, half a look up, stretch your arms a bit higher than your feet. Just keep reaching up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Again interlock your fingers. Stretch your spine. Inhale, again half a look up, spine straight. Exhale, again completely bend forward. Interlock your fingers behind your feet. And then extend your leg and then hold for 5, 4. Keep bending. Bring that awareness right there. 3. Close your eyes if you want. 2. And relax here. And 1. Inhale again. All the way come up. Exhale. Release your hands down beside of your hips. Keep your legs bent. And then push your hips up and lower your head down into the reverse tabletop, or you can keep your legs straight if you can, and then hold for 5, 4, very nice, 3, 2, and 1. Now release your hips down, all the way lay down on your back. Just lay down on your back. Now lift your both legs up into 90 degrees of the floor and continue to bring them down till my 10 counts. All right. Now 1, slowly, gradually bring them down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Inhale, reach your legs up. इस जागृति जी आपको बैक टेबल लेटना है, ठीक है? आप उल्टा नीचे बैक टेबल, ठीक है? चीटिंग नहीं करने किसी ने यहाँ पे. Now take your legs up high in the air and then lower your legs down. 1, go slow. 2, 3, बहुत बढ़िया. 4, 5, 6, yes, you can lift your one leg at a time. 7, 8, धीरे धीरे नीचे लाओ, to strengthen your legs. 9, and then 10. Inhale again, take your legs up high in the air. So from here with your both legs, you will make a big circle, as big as possible. Just try to make a big circle with your both legs. ठीक है? Now 1, अपने leg को पूरा नीचे लाओ. 2, हाँ आगे लाओ, आगे आगे, बहुत बढ़िया. And then reach your legs up, very nice. 4, 5, 6. धीरे धीरे जितना स्लो करोगे ये मूवमेंट्स, उतने ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगी आपकी, उतना ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होगा. And the last 5. Now on the other side, just make a circle. Inhale on the upward movement. Exhale while you are moving down. 1, 2, very nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. And then release your legs all the way down. Hug your legs, hug your thighs, roll over your back, all the way come up, and then lie down again on your back. Again, roll over your spine. Just keep moving up and down. Rock and roll. Now with the next exhalation, sit up straight on your mat. Simply cross your legs. Keep your eyes closed. Hands on your knees. And then relax there. We will finish our session with 1 Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your hands together. Bend your head forward to the God and show some gratitude towards the God, to the Mother Nature. And then open your eyes while blinking. And then namaste to everyone. Thank you so much for joining me here. Any question that you want to ask?
We have one question.
Yes.
I'm not able to balance in crow pose. I tried many a times, but I'm not able to balance. So how to work on that?
तो बैलेंस के लिए देखो, जब भी आप आर्म बैलेंसिंग करोगे तो मेक श्योर यू आर प्रेसिंग फ्रॉम द फिंगर टिप्स डाउन. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने बोला था चतुरंगा दंडासन में आप रेजिस्ट करते हो एक्शन को, यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज होती है. जब व्हेन यू आर लीनिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड मतलब जब भी आप आर्म बैलेंसिंग करोगे, देयर आर 3 इंपॉर्टेंट एक्शंस लाइक लीनिंग, पुशिंग और व्हाट इज दिस, जस्ट लीनिंग, पुशिंग और एलिवेटिंग. तो जितना ज्यादा आप एलिवेट करोगे, जितना ज्यादा लीन करोगे एंड रेजिस्ट करोगे उस एक्शन को, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा बनेगा. ठीक है. तो लेट्स सपोज आप यहाँ पे बैलेंस बना रहे हो, आपको अगर आप आगे फाइंड नहीं कर पा रहे हो बैलेंस, इसका मतलब आपको अभी डर लग रहा है. ठीक है. तो आपको अभी लीन करना है, पहले जितना लीन हो सकता है ऐसे. ठीक है. फिंगर टिप से पुश करना है. फिंगर टिप मतलब जितना ये देखो, आप अगर चतुरंगा में होल्ड कर सकते हो, इट मींस यू हैव इनफ स्ट्रेंथ इन योर पाम्स, बट यू डोंट नो दैट हाउ टू रेजिस्ट दिस एक्शन व्हेन यू आर लीनिंग फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है.
Okay.
तो जब आप लीन करोगे, आपको फिंगर टिप से पुश करना है. तो दे आर प्लेइंग मेजर रोल व्हाइल फाइंडिंग द बैलेंस. फिंगर टिप्स का इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. ठीक है. जब व्हेन यू आर फाइंड द बैलेंस इन योर आर्म, तो फिंगर टिप्स को जितना ज्यादा पुश करोगे, देखो अगर आप फिंगर टिप्स को पुश करते रहोगे 1 मिनट, आधा मिनट, उसके बाद आप देखोगे फिंगर टिप्स में ज्यादा अवेयरनेस आएगी. उसके बाद अगर आप प्रो पोज में जाओगे तो आपके फिंगर टिप्स ऑटोमेटिकली पुश करना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो जितना ज्यादा फिंगर टिप्स आपकी मजबूत रहेगी, जितना ज्यादा लीनिंग होगे, फिंगर टिप्स से रेजिस्ट होगा, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा बैलेंस बनेगा आपका. ठीक है. और प्रो पोज को किसी भी इन्वर्जन का आपको सीखना है तो डू नॉट होल्ड इनटू दैट पोस्चर, जस्ट मूव राइट देयर. जैसे सपोज आप प्रो पोज सीखना चाहते हो, आपको मूव करना है एंड देन बैक, मूव एंड बैक. आपको होल्ड तब करना है जब आप 10 टाइम्स कर दोगे, 5 टाइम्स कर दोगे, उसके बाद करना है आपको. ठीक है. तो एकदम कभी होल्ड नहीं करना पोस्चर को. जैसे हेडसेल होता है, हेडसेल में होल्ड नहीं करना, जस्ट मूव अप एंड डाउन, देन यू कैन होल्ड. ठीक है. मसल मेमोरी का गेम है, मसल मेमोरी को बिल्डअप करना है अच्छे से, तब उसके बाद आगे जाना. ठीक है.
Thank you. Thank you.
वेलकम. ओके देन, बाय बाय, एंजॉय योर डे, सी यू इन द इवनिंग.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
वेलकम.